In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your YouTube watch history. So please subscribe to support the channel. You want to open up your YouTube and then at the bottom right, basically you just want to click on library and you see this history and then you just press view all. And here you can see all of your view history. You can even click on it, remove it from watch history, play next in queue, share, save to playlist, download video or share it once again. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you out, please leave a comment saying it helped me out. I would greatly appreciate it, and also subscribe and like. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.